channel. Today we're going to do 2 experiments to see what happens when we cool air down and heat air up. 1, 2, 3, let's get started! For our first experiment, we will use hot and cold water to inflate and deflate our balloon. All you need is some hot and cold water and a bottle and a balloon. Let's get started. Now let's put the balloon on top of the bottle and then put the bottle in the water and see what happens. Look, it has inflated. Let's see what happens when we put it in the ice cold water. See, it has deflated now. Let's do some magic. Abracadabra, inflate! Abracadabra, deflate! Ooh. Now, all together. Abracadabra, inflate! Abracadabra, deflate! Do you like the experiment? Try it at home and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So friends, do you know why that happened? Because when you put the bottle in the hot water, the air expands and needs more space. That's how the balloon inflates. And then when you put it in the cold water, the air contracts. So that's how you make the balloon deflate. Cool, huh? So friends, in the last experiment, we made hot water inflate the balloon. Now we're going to make cold water inflate the balloon. Are you excited? Let's get started! To do this experiment, all you'll need is hot water, a bottle, a balloon, and some cold water too. First, pour hot water inside the bottle and ask your parents to do it. After asking your parents to fill the bottle with hot water, it should be crumpled like this. Now, pour all the water back. And then you should quickly fasten the balloon on. Now let's quickly put our bottle in the cold water and see what happens. Look, it's getting sucked in. It has inflated. Can you see it? See? See, the balloon has inflated. That's science. So friends, do you know how that happened? Because the hot air inside the bottle cooled down when we put it in the cold water. And it contracts, making space for more air. So air from outside goes inside and fills the balloon up. And the balloon inflates. Try at home and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Woohoo!